On today's video, I want to be sharing with you the best chicken house. I have two different chicken house, and I want to compare both of them to show you the advantage of this type of chicken house and the disadvantage of the other chicken house. So watch this video to the end as I take you through this episode. So in every chicken house, as you can see, this is my chicken house. As you can see, this is a net, this is wire mesh, and as you can see, this place is wide open for ventilation. And whenever it is rainy season, this is what I used to cover it so that the rain will not be entering inside the chicken house. And the main reason being that they need ventilation. And the reason why they need this ventilation, let's go into the chicken house so that I'll show you. So if you look around, if you look on the floor of this chicken house, you realize that it is quite dry. It is quite dry, not watery, because of this opening. Because of this opening you are seeing right here, there is enough ventilation. So that is why this place is dry. And if you look up here, you realize that there is still an opening here, and the other side also. So if you come to this side, you realize that everywhere is quite dry. This place is quite dry, as you can see. The sawdust is quite dry. So this is the benefit of constructing this your chicken house this way, and also giving your chicken enough spacing. As you can see, this place is quite open, in the sense that there is enough ventilation coming inside the chicken house. So whenever you are building your chicken house, as you can see, if you look at the upwards, you realize that there is no ceiling or any other stuff covering the upward, so that there will be enough ventilation in the chicken house, and it will keep everywhere dry. They will be able to receive fresh air, that kind of stuff, so that at the end they will end up giving you the best production. So let us move to the second chicken house so that I'll show you how it was constructed. So we are in the second chicken house, and this is it. As you can see, this is the outside. So I'll be taking you inside to show you what I was talking about. So this is the inside. As you can see, this is the inside. If you look down there, you will see my chicken. But what is the problem with this chicken house? As you can see, if you look around, you will realize that this is a room which has only the door. This is the door, and the door is quite open, but it's not enough. And if you look around again, you realize that this is the window, which the window is open still, but it is not enough. The other side, I still have a window there, but it is not enough. So what is the benefit of having an open chicken house? As you can see, the litter is watery because of poor ventilation. So as you can, if you look down here, you realize that you realize that the floor is watery. As you can see, I cannot bring up the sawdust. Everything is watery, which can lead to coccidiosis or other disease in your poultry farm. And also there is not enough spacing for this chicken. So because of that, it is very difficult for this chicken to feel comfortable, which will result poor egg production. Their production might be low because of this chicken house, this their chicken house, and at the end they will end up giving you that is a little amount of production or low production. What do I call it? So whenever you are building a chicken house, I'll prefer you building it the other way around. Make sure there is an opening in the whole chicken house. Don't manage anything. You can manage the structure, but make sure that there is an opening. If you look up there, you realize that they did a ceiling in this room, which is not even advisable. You have to keep everywhere open. Make sure everywhere is open for ventilation. I will really advise you to have this type of chicken house if you are in cold area, maybe USA, Canada, or other countries. But if you are here in Africa, or especially Nigeria, I will really advise you to build your chicken house the other way around. It will serve better, so that there will be enough ventilation to dry up the whole chicken house, so that it will not be watery, which will reduce them contacting uh, diseases in your poultry house. So whenever you are building your poultry house, make sure it is built in a perfect way. Make sure there is an opening. During raining season, you build some stuff, maybe tarpaulin. You use a tarpaulin around the chicken house to prevent rain from entering inside your chicken house. So I think with this video now, you'll be able to know the best way you can construct your chicken house without having any side effects or that kind of stuff. So thank you for watching. If you are new in this channel, subscribe here. For more video is on the way. So subscribe here so that you will not miss out on my video. Thank you for watching.